In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use the Nordvpn Linux app. This guide is designed to make the process simple and straightforward, ensuring you get up and running quickly and efficiently. First, we'll start by heading over to the Nordvpn website. Open your web browser and type in the URL, nordvpn.com, where you'll find the option to download your VPN application. It's important to ensure that you're downloading the application from the official website, as this guarantees the latest version and maintains your online security. Once you're there, look for the download section on the site. This is typically prominently displayed on the home page or in the main navigation menu. Click on it and it will take you to the page where you can choose the download for your specific operating system. Next, you'll need to log in to your Nordvpn account. If you're not already logged in, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then enter your account information. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up before proceeding. The sign-up process is generally straightforward, requiring basic information like your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account overview by going to the Nord account dashboard. This page houses all your account details and is your main hub for managing your subscription. From the dashboard, you can easily access the download page by looking for the Downloads option, which usually appears as a tab or a button. Clicking this will direct you to the page where you can choose the specific application you wish to install. On the Downloads page, you should see various VPN solutions available. You'll want to select the VPN solution for desktop, as we're focusing on setting this up for Linux. Once you click on the desktop solution, a drop-down menu or additional options should appear. Here, you will finally see the option for Linux. Click on Linux to begin the download process. Depending on your browser, you might need to specify a download location or confirm the file download. After the download completes, locate the downloaded file on your computer, generally in the Downloads folder. Open a terminal window in your Linux operating system, navigate to the location of the downloaded file, and execute the installation script or command according to Nordvpn's provided instructions. Installation may require administrative privileges, so be prepared to enter your password to authorize the installation. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the Nordvpn app on your Linux machine. From here, you can start using Nordvpn to browse the web securely and privately. Remember to periodically check for updates to ensure your VPN client remains up to date, delivering optimal performance and security features. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your enhanced online privacy with Nordvpn.